Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Alvarez. You can call me Jane if you are new to this channel. Hi, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay you guys, so in today's video, I'll be doing a simple prom makeup. On my last video, I did say I was going to do a simple prom makeup because I know some of you girls don't like to wear too much of a dramatic makeup look on a prom. You want it to be natural, etc. But anyways, yeah, so this is what this video is going to be today. We're going to be doing a simple prom makeup tutorial. So if you want to know how I get this look, continue on watching. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I already did my eyebrows, I primed my eyelids and all that good stuff. So the palette we'll be going today is the Jaclyn Hill palette. So that's what we're going to be using today. So let me go ahead and grab a fluffy brush. So the first color we'll be going in with today is this one right here. And I'm thinking of just doing like one eye maybe. Alright, so next color I'll be going in with is with this more of a brown color right here. I'm using that same brush. Okay, so the next color I'll be going in from, I'm going in with a different brush, and I'll be going into this like more of a darker shade right here. I'm just gonna put just a little bit. Alright, so next I'm gonna go into a shimmer shade and I'm gonna go in with these two right here and apply this right on top. Alright, so now I'm gonna go back in with that other brush and go to that dark shade and just blend those out at the end. So to get more pigment, I'm gonna go ahead and get my setting spray and wet the brush to get more pigment on this shade. Alright, so that's good. Now for eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. And not do too much of a dramatic one, just a very simple line. I'm gonna just go ahead and do the other eye also, because I felt like this was really short. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye also. time to do eyeliner. Yeah, that's too thick. Gotta find my wipes now. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eyeliner off camera. Alright, you guys, so I am back. I finished the other eye. I now was gonna show y'all the other eye, but I kind of messed up on the eyeliner, so I just decided to do it off camera. So now we're just gonna move on to the face. So for primer, we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. primer, and as I told y'all, this primer does not have a name on it, but we're just gonna use it. I know it's for face because, you know, when I bought it, it said something about the face. I don't know, but it's a primer, just know that. Alright, put my hair back. Alright, so for foundation, we're going to use the Clinique Beyond Perfected Foundation Plus Concealer. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a foundation brush. Alright, so I'm gonna grab my oval brush to So now I'm gonna grab a beauty sponge to set this. Alright, for concealer, I'll be going in with the Clinique concealer. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab the contour stick to contour the face and my nose. Okay, so now to set this, we're gonna get some airspun. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe bronzer to bronze up the face. And a nose. Alright, so now I get another brush to dust all this off. So for mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Clinique High Impact Mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the lower lashes. Alright, for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe blush, and this is in the color Spirit. Alright, and for alright, and for highlight, we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. Alright, for lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Go To Beauty lipstick. I wish it had a name, but it doesn't. Alright, and for setting spray, I'm going in with the Smashbox setting photo finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. This is an easy, simple prom makeup tutorial. You know, if you don't want to pay too much money, because I know doing makeup, getting other people to do your makeup, it's expensive, obviously. But anyway, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this look, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments below, and then once again, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.